So by the way, here's a tip on how you put this cap on for the FX wheels. You'll notice that you do have a place to pry it open, right? Pry it up, but you don't have any markings on the wheel itself that tells you, hey, this is where you actually pry it on. So what you do is this. See here, you've got this thing off clocked a little bit because this is up. It's actually, yeah, it's actually pointing right at the top of the apex of this Mount Fuji sign, right? So here, right there, maybe 1230. So what you do is come here, point this at the valve stem, but then turn it this way, and when you see this ridge is matching, there you go, it's gonna fit. It doesn't really fit any other way, by the way, just so you know, because there's gonna be interference. There's no hole for it to enter. This one goes into this one, goes specifically into this right here, this lug hole. So if you want, you could paint it, whatever you want to do, but yeah, as I said, it doesn't really go anywhere else, and you'll test it around, then doubt yourself, then you might smash it and break them. But yeah, so what you do is turn this facing the Mount Fuji, facing this valve stem, then turn it whatever 15 degrees or something. And so, or the way I describe it is that go to the valve stem and then point this Mount Fuji one over clockwise, and there, and it sits.